I might have the scoops on.
He threw the shades on. Oh shit!
Yeah. Woo. Like, where we at? We at the food fest.
Yeah, we finna go see what this food festival talking about.
Toys out.
Hey bro, worry about that later, man. Come on, park that shit. Hey, don't get too close to the Bentley. You're getting a little too close to the Bentley.
Listen.
Why, motherfucker? I think it was Bree. She hopped on my bike the other day and put her foot on my exhaust instead of the peg. Hey, I got a footprint right there.
Hey, this nigga said, why would you do that, bro? You know my shit will turn right there.
What you mean? That nigga threw the shades on. He threw the shades on.
Brother might look. Yeah, might have the scoops on.
He threw the shades on.
Yeah,
they're lit. Damn, I should have brought my dogs.
Man, lit.
Damn, these lines is ridiculous. Food fest. They got the Frenchies out here.
Yeah, the Frenchies, I know I said.
Gyro. This man wants a gyro.
Gotta eat good, man.
Shit. It's probably decent. You ladies ready?
What?
The little Burberry fit on. Oh, you know what I mean? Hey, bro, this is what I want. This is what I want.
Yeah, this is a real street. Nasty.
Hey, look, nah, this is a Road King.
Yeah, Road King. This is nasty.
Yeah, this shit clean.
Graceful. He's not playing.
Hey, and it matches your helmet.
What helmet? Not mine.
Damn there.
Nope. Mine's is gray. That's brown. Well, that's like, I don't know.
Nigga, that's like a military grade.
What y'all think?
That's like a full metal jacket grade, bro.
Someone's out here cutting up.
Alright, y'all. Let's move up. Gotta start this up.
Don't say it. It started.
Shit, wish me luck too.
Oh, y'all said.
We both out here in predicaments.
Hey,
We
watch
might
this.
have to push it. Ready?
Don't brag, Mr. Hole in your engine.
Let's go.
Whoa.
That bitch started.
Alright, let's go.
Hold on, it's my turn.
Wait on Kanai, it's his turn. The tables may be turned.
No. Hold on. Is my light flashing green? My light's flashing green. We will. Thank you.
I'd ride this bitch.
Oh, shit.
Look.
Oh, I got a dub ollie. How do you even know?
Man.
How do you even know? I thought I just put a dub in there. I had all my money out, then I just put it all up. Huh?
Will it start? Love ain't got nothing to do with it.
Hey, streamer. Hey, get on. Stop.
It's too loud.
It's not gonna pop no flame.
What you want to bet?
No, don't be all loud. Don't be all loud, bro. Don't be all loud.
Hey, hold on.
Let me do it.
Do this shit again. Oh, shit.
Yeah, this is decent. On my kids, shorty. Oh shit! You wanna see a spitter plane? You gotta go over there. It's decent. It's decent.
That bitch gonna spin now.
I used to have one of these.
Did you? The same one?
Not the same one. I had a Kawasaki.
This was my dream bike. But I want the newer one now.
Where'd you get from?
Facebook Market. Not gonna do it. Yeah.
I mean, you know those are
When I'm pulling out of here, I'll get that bitch. Pop, 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 pop.
got it up. Slam down to
I've done that before.
What? I don't know about that. Going up and back? I know that when you go up, you gotta like slide out or something.
Oh, I wrecked my bike doing wheelies.
Damn.
You got your camera
I gotta throw my socks on. We will. Have a good night, Miss Trudy.
Oh, that's when it stops? So they doing it all too? I walk my dog now. I've seen there's a lot of dogs. I'm like,
Y'all ready? It's not doing it.
you can't rev it
Maybe
all.
because you're in gear. No, you probably gotta rep it somewhere.
No, it's not doing it. Appreciate it, bro.
What year is it?
2012.
2012?
Yeah. It's decent.
I wish. I wish.
Which one's yours?
The blue Honda.
These bitches are nice.
The yellow one.
Yeah, this yellow one is nice.
We all peek our heads up like shit.
It tops out at 179.
Oh, it tops out?
Yeah, it's governed at 179, so I gotta get it flashed and fucking tuned.
Oh.
Yeah, I definitely want it to go faster. I get it to 175, 179 like it's nothing.
Do you?
Yeah, man. Fucking easy.
When'd you get it? Or you just got that plate on there?
A little mix of both.
A little mix of both. I was gonna say, is it just one of them nights that you got a thing?
Nah, I got it like fucking a month and a half ago or something.
Right on, right on.
But yeah, it's decent. I didn't know all the Harleys was linking tonight. All
Oh,
the
it's always a
cruisers.
mix out here.
Yeah.
It's always a mix. You got one of the G-Log holders stuff?
One of the what?
The cases?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, one of the
Do you like
G-Log
that?
ones. I don't
Worth
even
the
use
money?
it, honestly. I ain't ordered the case. I heard it was good, but the fucking regular clamps work fine as well. They work
Right,
perfectly
that's what
fine.
I got. I've just seen so much good shit on that, and I want to get one of those because you can also get that dampener on it to get rid of the vibration.
Yeah?
Make it a little easier on your phone.
Yeah, that's dope. I wonder how fast them things are, what type of engines they got.
I think they're 900s. They're pretty fucking nasty.
900?